Yes, what up? As you see, I got the igniter. This one, yeah. This control module controls the 4 cylinders. This one has damage inside. I bought this spare part, so I hope it works. It's very easy. I bought it cheap, 35 euros. That is like $30, I think, yeah. And I'm going to put this back. It's very easy, and then I will start the car so I can see if the engine still misfires, and if it misfires there is a problem somewhere else. I will put yes, so I will put this first back, the first at this place. This wire, I will leave it here hanging. It had 3 bolts, one small one and 2 big ones. The small one first. It's very easy to fix it. You don't need nobody, only your own hands. That is one. Number 2. Number 3. I took the old one off, very easy, and now I'm going to mount the new one. So So I will connect the big one first until it's big, yes, and then the other one. Yes. So done. So now I will start the engine and look if it misfires. So this one is good. Okay. The check engine light. No. It still runs rough. The check engine light is still on. The problem is still there. I don't know.